Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to use the interior lights of your car. Specifically, I am right now in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson Preferred Trend. That is my personal car, and I am going to show you how to use the interior lights. If you see here, we have the options that I am going to show you. With this one, you have your own light. With this one, you turn on all the lights of the car. Then when you press this button, when someone opens the doors, the lights not turn on. But if the button is not pressed and someone open the door, all the lights turn on. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.